Hi guys, I'm just going to do another load in the service dryer. I've just done some whites. I'm going to set it for 40 minutes because it's only a half load. Start. Actually, I won't have the dryer balls in there this load because it's such a small load it won't need them. Oh, and I need to clean the filter really quickly. Bear with me. Okay, all done. Looks like I can do it. Started. It's better to see with white. So I don't need the lighting really. Click past 40. Okay, now I'm going the other way. There's 2 shirts in there and a towel and a t-shirt, that's all it is. So that's why I put it on 40 minutes. As you can hear, the vibration is very low with a smaller load, which is really good actually. So yeah, soon I'm going to try and sort that out, and then it'll be a quieter machine. And the other way. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. Thanks for watching, bye.